Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Tesla Model X key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Before you begin, take a moment to observe your key fob's design to understand how its two halves fit together. This preparation will help ensure a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small seam running along the side of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. Apply gentle pressure and slowly twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam, prying it open evenly to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for proper installation of the new battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Ensure there are no gaps and the fob feels solid. Once reassembled, test the key fob's functionality with your Tesla Model X to confirm everything is working correctly. Also, for those interested in improving their financial knowledge, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on money, along with other exclusive deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.